Who well remembers the age that now is past? How one saw it full of all good deeds and pleasing, and how one sees wicked and recreant unceasing the present age, and how never shall be surpassed by that which shall come, still more wicked unsurpassed. Every man would live in great grief, recalling thus what it is and was and shall be from now on for us. He must strive each day more unceasing to bear the burden of worth, which is now outcast. For he has more of it who more strongly is harassed, and it is right that those who prize worth strain the more toward good, the more the worthless abandon it in store. Can any man be cast? Then he who loses God and the world with equal losing. Just such are the sad, wicked, grasping ones now cruising, who have put death, dalliance, joy, and solace past. So much do faithlessness and greed hold them fast, that honor and worth they put in disdain's own score, and God and the world they cast away. And riches flee and life is brief, and death comes fast. So one should live with loyalty, loving at the last, God keeping the world's thanks, reigning gently evermore. The greatest comes all the wickedness amassed, and then from rank to rank descending without ceasing, down to the least, or that to nothing turns decreasing joy and worth, so that who wants worth or holds it fast can have it lightly, for so great is its market vast, that for 5 sous one gets the piece of it and more. So vilely do the wicked rich traders hold and songs releasing. traveling fast, he of Aragon, for he bears the heaviest unceasing burden of worth, so that he holds it all trembling in his grasp.